So first step, just we have to know what is our requirement here. The first requirement, find the area of a circular segment. That means circular portion. The circle একটা অংশ বের করবা. If its radius is 5 centimeter and angle subtended at the center is 45 degree. 45 degree angle যখন subtend হয়, খেয়াল করো আমরা একটা ফিগার ড্র করি, এখান থেকে কাজ করি। Like this is here. Suppose this is a circle. Number A. So its radius 5 and subtended angle is 45 degree. Draw the figure. So this angle theta, and this is the radius r, and this is given here 45 degree. So now number A question answer will be radius of the circle. Radius of the circle r equals to 5 semi. Subtended angle, and the subtended angle angle theta is equals to 45 degree Celsius. Subtended angle is 45 degree Celsius. So our requirement is find the area of the circular segment. So now area of the circular segment. Area of the circular segment, and area of the circular segment, right, is the formula theta by 360 degree multiply pi r square, and now this is the square unit. So now theta means the given here subtended angle 45 divided by 360 degree, and multiply pi means 3.1416, and r means 5 square, and so this is given here centimeter. That's why this one will be square semi. So now do the calculation here. Finally you will get here 9.818, and this is square centimeter, and this is our answer, the circular segment. So now it's okay. দেখো first question আমাদের requirement ছিল circular segment. So now circular segment 9.818. Circular segment এর ফর্মুলাটা মেমোরাইজ করবা। দেন এখানে সার্কুলার সেগমেন্ট বলতে আমরা এইটুকু বোঝাচ্ছি। দেখো আমি একটু বোল্ড করে দিচ্ছি, অর্থাৎ এই এরিয়াটুকু জানতে চাচ্ছে। জাস্ট ফাইন্ড দ্য এরিয়া অফ দিস ওয়ান, এরিয়া অফ দিস ওয়ান। অর্থাৎ বৃত্তের একটা ক্ষেত্রফলের একটা অংশ সার্কুলার সেগমেন্ট। তাহলে সার্কুলার সেগমেন্টের ফর্মুলা দিয়ে আমরা কাজটা কমপ্লিট করব। So now second question, find the whole surface area and the volume of the cylinder. So B নাম্বারটা কি স্টার্ট করব? Did you complete number A?
জি স্যার, A নাম্বার শেষ।
Okay, now we can start the question number B. First write the question here. So this is here, and from the cylinder we can copy this question. So now find the whole surface area. Here the h is equals to given here right now. H equals to height, h equals to height, h equals to 10 centimeter. radius r equals to 5 centimeter. This is the given this information in STEM, given that. Now write the formula. Area of the whole surface, or whole surface area, whole surface area of the cylinder. Whole surface area formula. Whole surface area formula is equals to twice pi r plus h unit. Now put their value here. To multiply r means, sorry, pi means 3.1416, and multiply r means radius. So radius is 5. Here 10 plus 5, all are centimeter. So now area means square centimeter. So this is now square semi. So now to do the calculation here. Now next step, doing the calculation directly, you can write the answer. 471.24 square semi. This is one part answer. Now second part. Second part question ta ki chilo? Whole surface area and the volume of the cylinder. Now write here volume of the cylinder is equals to, write the formula, pi r square h cubic unit. Put their value 3.1416 minus 5 square multiply 10 cubic centimeter, cubic centimeter. So now do multiply here. You will get here 785.4 cubic centimeter, and this is our answer. So volume answer area is equals to 471.24, and volume is equals to 785.4, and this is square centimeter, and this is cubic centimeter. And this is answer done. So now do complete number B. This is the whole questions of number B. Now number C question. If H and R are the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, length of one diagonal whose is 8 centimeter, find the length of another diagonal. So now question number C is different. Complete this one. Yes, this is a parallelogram. So 13, one diagonal is given here 8. So draw a diagonal here. This is given here 8 centimeter, one diagonal. And the two adjacent side, this side is 10 centimeter. This one given here 10 centimeter. This one given here 5 centimeter. And so we can write here A, B, C, D. And our requirement is find the diagonal, another diagonal, this one. And this is our requirement, find this diagonal. Or we can, by using this scale, we can draw the exact figure. So,
Sir, D shesh.
okay, now draw the figure. This is Yes, this is the exact figure. Okay. Now draw the figure here. And 8 centimeter basically BD, line BD here 8 centimeter. Okay. This one is 8 centimeter. Like this one is 8 centimeter. So now next question. Okay, number B. We know let the two sides of the here H is equals to let the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Number C. Number C. Let two adjacent sides of the parallelogram B, A and B. So here H equals to A is equals to 10 semi according to question, and R equals to B is equals to 5 semi. Here D1 one diagonal, here one diagonal, here one diagonal, D1 is equals to 8 centimeter cm. Another diagonal, D2 is equals to what? Another diagonal D2 equals to what? So in the parallelogram we know here diagonal D1 square plus D2 square. This is the formula. Sum of the two diagonal square is the 2 times of sum of their two adjacent side square. A square plus B square. So now put their all values and then do the calculation. D2 square is equals to 2 times of 10 square plus 5 square, 10 square minus 5 square minus D1 square. So now 10 square minus 5 square, there are D2 square is equals to 2 times of 100 plus 25 minus 8 square. So now D2 square will be 125 multiplied 2. There will be 250 minus 64. So or 200 D2 square is equals to 64. Doing the subtract 64, you will get 186. 186. So now that means D2 will be, and the diagonal D2 is equals to root over 186. This is after doing the root over, that means 13.638. So another diagonal, so length of another diagonal, so length of another diagonal is equals to 13.638 semi. Answer 13.638 centimeter. So this is now full answer of number B. Clear? নাও দেখো সেকেন্ড কোশ্চেনের মধ্যে আমরা ফর্মুলা ইউজ করেছিলাম ডায়াগোনালের সাথে সাইডের যে রিলেশন, এখান থেকে ক্যালকুলেশন করে d2 এর মান নিয়ে আসছি। আর ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেনটাতে খেয়াল করবা যে সারফেস এরিয়ার ফর্মুলা গুলো, হোল সারফেস এরিয়ার একটা ফর্মুলা আছে এবং কার্ভ সারফেস এরিয়ার একটা ফর্মুলা আছে। তো এখানে মেনশন করা ছিল আমাদের হোল সারফেস এরিয়া। হোল সারফেস এরিয়া ফর্মুলা থেকে আমরা ভ্যালুগুলো ইউজ করছি। দেন সিলিন্ডারের ভলিউমের ফর্মুলা। আর ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেনটা একটু ডিফারেন্ট, এটা হচ্ছে স্ট্যামের সাথে রিলেটেড না। কোশ্চেনগুলো দেখতে যত লম্বা, বাট ফর্মুলা অ্যাপ্লাই করলে কাজগুলো খুবই ইজি।